Hello, beautiful blockchain people. That's me again at CryptoSpine. This is my next cryptocurrency market overview. So let's start. Let's have a look at the prices of the major cryptocurrencies. And as we see that, according to the site of CoinGecko, we see that the market has recorded a small price decline for the last 24 hours. But in general, I would say that after the solid price rebound that started, let's say, earlier last week, now the prices are consolidating. And today is Monday, that's why we'll analyze the price chart of Bitcoin that is at the level of $39,630. So let's have a look at the price chart of Bitcoin in the different time frames. Of course, we will start from the monthly time frame, but let me remove the unnecessary elements from the chart. And this is the price chart of Bitcoin. Now, we're at the very beginning of this month. That's why we know that this candlestick, this bullish candlestick, is the candlestick for the previous month of July. And as we see, its body has completely covered or engulfed the body of this small Dodge or bearish candlestick. So this is a bullish signal. So this is a kind of, let's say, common or typical bullish engulfing. However, I want to say that it indicates, in my view, that there is a solid, let's say, support within this range for the price of Bitcoin. But it doesn't mean that this is a solid bullish signal indicating that now the price will start to skyrocket, because the local high of this bullish candlestick is slightly above the local high of this one, and its local low is also slightly above this one. So we don't have, let's say, a renewal of local highs that is really very bullish when the local high is significantly like this one, significantly above this one and this one. That's why I would say, yes, we have a kind of trend reversal signal, but it's not a very solid bullish signal indicating that right now the price will start to skyrocket again. Now, let's move on to the weekly chart. This is the weekly chart. And this is the candlestick for the previous week. Definitely it's a bullish candlestick, and it brings, let's say, positivity to the market because its local high is significantly above the previous one and its local low is significantly above the previous one. So here we had this bullish engulfing, a couple of spinning tops, a hammer, another, let's say, hammer, Dodge, shooting star. So all these candlesticks, they indicate that the market or the price has started to receive a lot of support within this range, and we know that this range is equal to the range that formed during the previous, let's say, solid price increase. So in the middle of this price increase, the price consolidated for a couple of weeks, and now we're within this, let's say, consolidation range, and the price is starting to test the upper line or the border or the upper bound of this range. And this is the most interesting part, because I think that if the price of Bitcoin is able to surpass the upper bound of this consolidation range, then the chances of an uptrend renewal will definitely increase. Now, let's move on to the daily chart. This is the daily chart, and we can see that the price is testing the upper bound of this range. But we have to be really very careful, because at the moment, it's not 100% sure that a breakout will take place and the uptrend will resume. We're now at the crossroads. That's why we have to constantly keep an eye on the price chart of Bitcoin, because look, something similar happened here, but of course it's at the opposite, let's say, part of this consolidation range, and the price tested the upper bound of this range here. Now it is testing this upper bound, so we have to keep an eye on the price chart, because it's not 100% sure that a breakout will take place. But definitely, in my view, if a breakout takes place, this will be an additional bullish signal confirming, let's say, the beginning of the uptrend renewal. Now, I will add the final thing I'm going to do. the moving averages that we use in the daily chart. So the first one is the 30-day moving average, or for the period of 1 month. Then I will add the moving average for the period of 90 days, or for the period of 1 quarter or 3 months. And the last one is for the period of 1 year, or for 360 days. So this is how these moving averages look like. Definitely they are moving sideways. So this confirms the consolidation or the sideways movement of the price chart. Interestingly, last week the price was able to surpass the 3-month moving average, and now is slightly above the 3-month moving average. So this is an additional bullish signal, and that's why I think that sooner or later, if the 30-day moving averages surpasses the 3-month moving average, this will be exactly the conservative, let's say, bullish signal confirming the trend renewal. If we have this, let's say, bullish order of moving averages, so the 30-day moving average, below should be the 90-day moving average, and at the bottom should be the 360 days moving average. If I see this proper or bullish order of moving averages, then I will say that this is the beginning, or this is a conservative signal confirming the beginning of the uptrend renewal. So that's why I will constantly keep an eye on the price chart of Bitcoin. Let's cross our fingers for Bitcoin, and let's hope that this is the beginning of this breakout and the resumption of the uptrend. Everything is possible, but at least at the moment the market is much more bullish than it used to be, for example, here. So that's it for today, fellas. Thank you for watching this video. Please share your point of view as a comment under this video. Of course, I wish you a very wonderful day, a very productive week ahead. Good luck in the financial markets, and I hope to see you in the next one. It was me again at CryptoSpa.